Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully my students are studying at their home regularly. Isn't it? How are you? Today we will learn new lesson. I hope you all are very attentive in my class. So let's start our class. It's MST Reshmi Khatun, an assistant teacher of Polashbari Copt Primary School. So, my cute student, which class do you read in? Class 5. Which subject is now? It is English. What is the date today? 6th December 2020. Okay, my dear students. Now, you will sing a song with me.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Okay, my sweet student, look at the screen. What can you see in the screen? Can you guess? I know you can guess. It is hair. It is hair. Now see at the another picture. It is tortoise. What are they doing? Can you say what are they doing? The hare is running and the tortoise is walking. So students, say with me, it is hare and it is tortoise. The hare is running and the tortoise is walking. Now see at the next screen. Can you imagine where are they? They are in the jungle. So students, say with me, the hare and the tortoise are in the jungle. Today's lesson is Unit 14, Lesson 1 to 2, and our lesson is the hare and the tortoise. Dear students, firstly we will learn some new words. Our first word is race. Race means running competition. Have you ever participated in running competition? Yes, I know many of yours are participate in running competition. So, It's called race. Its Bengali meaning is দৌড় প্রতিযোগিতা. Our next word is win. Win means to be victorious. When we participate any race, then one person or one racer will be win. Okay, so win means to be victorious, and Bengali meaning of victorious and win means জয়লাভ করা. So dear students, read with me. Race is running competition means দৌড় প্রতিযোগিতা, and wins means to be victorious means জয়লাভ করা. Can you understand? Okay, dear student, I think you understand this. My dear students, now open your book, page 54, and put your finger under the line. When I read the text, you listen very carefully. Hear the story, the hare and the tortoise. Listen and read. One day a hare was walking in the forest when he saw a tortoise. একদিন একটা খরগোশ বনের মধ্যে দিয়ে যাচ্ছিল, তখন সে একটা কচ্ছপকে দেখতে পেল। The hare was the fastest animal in the forest. খরগোশটি ছিল বনের সবচেয়ে দ্রুতগামী প্রাণী, and the tortoise was the slowest animal in the forest. এবং কচ্ছপটি ছিল বনের সবচেয়ে ধীরগতিসম্পন্ন প্রাণী। The hare called out to the tortoise. অর্থাৎ খরগোশ কচ্ছপকে চিৎকার করে বলল, হ্যারি আপ, তাড়াতাড়ি করো, ইউ আর সো স্লো, তুমি এত ধীর, ক্যান নট ইউ ওয়াক ফাস্টার, তুমি কি দ্রুত যেতে পারো না, ক্যান নট ইউ রান, তুমি কি দৌড়াতে পারো না। দ্য tortoise felt angry. কচ্ছপ রাগান্বিত হলো, অ্যান্ড said to the hare, খরগোশকে বলল, হোয়াই ডোন্ট উই হ্যাভ এ রেস, কেন আমরা একটা দৌড় প্রতিযোগিতা করছি না। মেবি আই ক্যান উইন, আমি তো জিততেও পারি। দ্য হেয়ার লাভড অ্যান্ড লাভড. খরগোশ হাসলো অ্যান্ড হাসলো। শিওর, আই উইল উইন, আমি অবশ্যই জিতবো, দ্য হেয়ার সেইড. খরগোশ বলল। দে এগ্রিড টু স্টার্ট নেক্সট টু এ বিগ ট্রি. তারা পরবর্তীতে একটা বড় গাছ থেকে প্রতিযোগিতা শুরু করার সিদ্ধান্ত নিল, অ্যান্ড ফিনিশ অ্যাট দ্য রিভার, যেটা নদীতে গিয়ে শেষ হবে। দেন দে কল দেয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস টু ওয়ার্ডস. তারপর তারা তাদের বন্ধুদেরকে ডাকলো প্রতিযোগিতাটি দেখার জন্য। দ্য হেয়ার স্টুড বিসাইড দ্য tortoise. খরগোশটি কচ্ছপের পাশে দাঁড়ালো, অ্যান্ড দ্য রেস বিগ্যান. দৌড় প্রতিযোগিতা শুরু হলো। দ্য হেয়ার ran কুইকলি. খরগোশটি দ্রুত দৌড়ালো, অ্যান্ড ইন এ ফিউ মিনিট দ্য হেয়ার ওয়াজ আউট অফ সাইট. এবং কয়েক মিনিটের মধ্যেই খরগোশটি কী করলো, অনেক দূরে চলে গেল। দ্য হেয়ার said to himself. খরগোশটি মনে মনে ভাবলো, দ্য tortoise is very far behind. কচ্ছপটি অনেক পেছনে রয়েছে। আই ক্যান সি দ্য ফিনিশ লাইন. আমি শেষ সীমানা দেখতে পাচ্ছি। আই হ্যাভ টাইম ফর এ ন্যাপ. ন্যাপ মিনস কিছু সময়ের জন্য ঘুমানো, অর্থাৎ আমি কিছু সময় ঘুমিয়ে নিই। সুন দ্য হেয়ার ওয়াজ অ্যাসলিপ আন্ডার এ ট্রি নেক্সট টু দ্য পথ. পথের মধ্যে একটা গাছের নিচে খরগোশটি গভীর ঘুমে আচ্ছন্ন হয়ে পড়ল। দ্য tortoise ওয়াকড স্টেডিলি. কচ্ছপটি ধীরে ধীরে হাঁটলো, অন অ্যান্ড অন। হি ডিডন্ট স্টপ. সে থামল না। সুন হি পাস দ্য স্লিপিং হেয়ার. শীঘ্রই সে ঘুমন্ত খরগোশকে অতিক্রম করে গেল। দ্য হেয়ার স্লিপড ফর অ্যান আওয়ার. খরগোশটি 1 ঘন্টার মতো ঘুমিয়েছিল। হোয়েন হি ফাইনালি ওক আপ. যখন সে জেগে উঠল, হি লুকড অ্যাট দ্য ফিনিশ লাইন. সে শেষ সীমানা দেখতে পেল। হি কুড নট বিলিভ হিজ আইস. সে তার চোখকে বিশ্বাস করতে পারল না। tortoise ওয়াজ অলমোস্ট অ্যাট দ্য ফিনিশ লাইন. কচ্ছপটি প্রায় শেষ সীমানায় ছিল। দ্য হেয়ার র্যান অ্যাজ ফাস্ট অ্যাজ হি কুড. খরগোশ যত জোরে পারল দৌড়ালো। বাট ইট ওয়াজ টু লেট. কিন্তু এটা ছিল অনেক দেরি। দ্য tortoise ক্রসড দ্য ফিনিশ লাইন. কচ্ছপটি তার সীমানায় পৌঁছে গিয়েছিল, অ্যান্ড উইন দ্য কম্পিটিশন. এবং প্রতিযোগিতায় জিতেছিল। দ্য হেয়ার ওয়াজ ফিউরিয়াস. অর্থাৎ খরগোশটা ওয়াজ কি ছিল, ফিউরিয়াস, রাগান্বিত। দ্য tortoise লুকড ব্যাক অ্যাট দ্য হেয়ার. খরগোশের দিকে পেছনে ফিরে তাকালো and smile হাসলো. Then he said, slow but steady wins the race. তারপর সে বলল যে ধীরগতি সম্পূর্ণ কিন্তু দূর মনোবল সম্পূর্ণ হয়ে তারাই কি করে প্রতিযোগিতায় টেকে। অর্থাৎ এটা থেকে আমরা কি শিক্ষা পাই যে অদাস্যই হয়ে যদি আমরা কোনো কাজ বারবার চেষ্টা করি তবে সেটাতে আমরা সফল হবই। দুর্বল হলেও সফল হব বারবার চেষ্টা করে। আর সবল হলেও যদি সে তার কাজকে ফেলে রাখে তাহলে কি সে প্রতিযোগিতায় টিকতে পারবে না। অর্থাৎ প্রতিযোগিতায় টিকার জন্য মেইনলি দরকার কোনটা? অদাস্যই, বারবার চেষ্টা। Okay, my dear students, I think you understand my lesson. Now, I will see you a video related to this chapter. You will show this video attentively. Okay, my dear student, now start.
Cocomelon. Once there was a very, very speedy hare. Once there was a very, very speedy hare. He would brag from near and far that he was faster than a car. Oh yes, one time there was a very speedy hare. Plucky tortoise said to hare, let's have a race. The plucky tortoise said to hare, let's have a race. If you're so fast in running shoes, then there's no way that you can lose. Oh yes, the tortoise said to hare, let's have a race. Fast and slow, fast and slow. Who will win? Let's watch them go. Down the road, around the tree. Who will win? Just wait and see. All the animals came down to see them run. All the animals came down to see them run. With a bell, the race began and fast away. Quick hare ran. Oh yes, the animals came down to see them run.
The lagging tortoise very slowly crawled along. The lagging tortoise very slowly crawled along. Since the hare so quickly sped, he had by now run far ahead. Oh yes, the tortoise very slowly crawled along.
Fast and slow, fast and slow. Who will win? Let's watch them go. Down the road, around the tree. Who will win? Just wait and see. The hare felt very sure that he would win. The speedy hare felt very sure that he would win. Since he thought he couldn't lose, he laid right down to take a snooze. Oh yes, the hare felt very sure that he would win.
The little tortoise kept on inching down the road. The little tortoise kept on inching down the road. He passed by the sleeping hare who kept on snoring unaware. Oh yes, the tortoise kept on inching down the road.
Fast and slow, fast and slow. Who will win? Let's watch them go. Down the road, around the tree. Who will win? Just wait and see. The tortoise nearly reached the finish line. The turning tortoise nearly reached the finish line. The sleepy hare woke up and ran as fast as speedy hare can. Oh yes, the tortoise nearly reached the finish line. Yes, it's true that slow and steady wins the race. Oh yes, the hare was very fast, but even so.
Okay, my dear students, now I will divide you in groups. This is group A, this is group B, this is group C and D. Everybody will read the lesson silently in groups. If any problem, you will ask me. After some time, I will ask you read the passage. Okay, everybody read attentively. Okay, my dear students, I think you all are very able to read this lesson. Roll 69, come here. Now you will read the first line of the lesson. Okay, I think you are very able to read all the passage. Thank you. Now group 2, stand up and read the second line of the lesson. Okay, thank you. Now group 3, you will stand up and read the last line of the lesson. I think you all are able to read the lesson. Okay, my dear students. Now we will pronounce some words. Pronunciation. Our first word is tortoise. Pronunciation is T-O-R, tor, T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. Our second word is faster. Pronunciation will be F-A-S-T-E-R. Our third word is began. Pronunciation is B-E-G-A-N, began. Okay, my dear students, now you will pronunciation with me. T-O-R, tor, T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. F-A-S, fast, T-E-R, tar, faster. B-E-G-A-N, began. Well done, my dear student. Can you understand? Can you pronounce this word? Okay, thank you. Now please look at the screen. Open your notebook and take your pen. Match the word in column A and column B. Here column A and some words in column A. Here column B. Also here some words in column B. You have to match the word in column A with column B. You all think about this. I will give you some time and you will finish this work. Every group you will finish this work and then you will show me. Okay. Okay, my dear student, I think you have finished this task. Group number 3. Roll now 92. Please stand up and say what is angry match with column B, which word with which word. Okay, thank you. Now stand up. 69 roll in group 3. Which word is match in column B with column A? Begin. Which column is begin with begin? Okay, thank you. Now stand up, roll 31. Say which word is similar to next to. Okay, everybody, I think you all are able to complete this task. Now I will help and you all match. Our first word is angry, which is similar to furious. Angry and furious means ragonito hawa. Our second word is begin, which is similar to start. Begin and start mean shuru kora. Our third word is next to, is similar to beside, means হচ্ছে পাশে. We will try another task. Read the sentence. Which animal is each sentence about? Write T for tortoise and H for hare. Here sub sentence. Now all the groups start your work. After some time, in group number 1, roll 51, stand up. Please say what is the answer in the first blank. Okay. Group number 2, roll number 1, stand up and say what is suitable in the blank 2. Okay. Group number 4, stand up and say what is suitable for group 4. I think you all are very attentive to my class and you all are able to finish the task. Now I will help you and you will match the answer. Our first answer is here. He is the fastest animal in the forest. অর্থাৎ বনের মধ্যে সবচাইতে দ্রুতগামী প্রাণীকে হিয়ার, এটা কার সাথে সামঞ্জস্যপূর্ণ? হিয়ার, খরগোশের সাথে। Our second line is he is the slowest animal in the forest. বনের মধ্যে সবচাইতে স্লোয়েস্ট, এটা কে হবে? টর্টয়েস, খরগোশ। এবং our third is he took a nap during the race. প্রতিযোগিতায় সে একটু ঘুম দিয়েছিল, কে? হিয়ার, খরগোশ। 4 he crossed the finish line first. প্রথম ফিনিশ লাইন অতিক্রম করেছিল কে? টর্টয়েস। Okay, thank you, my dear student. I think you are able to do some better tasks like this. Now I will give you some fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Here some words and here the sentence with blanks. You will fill the blanks in appropriate word. Now start your time and all the groups start your tasks. Okay, my dear student, now finished your time. Group number 1, roll 3. Say which word is suitable for blanks A. Group number 2, roll 3. Say which one is suitable for 2. Okay, I think all the groups are able to complete this task. Thank you everybody. Now I will help you. Please match your answer. Our first sentence is the hare was the blank animal. Hare was the fastest animal, but the tortoise was the blank. Tortoise was the slowest. One day the tortoise and the hare raced. The hare ran very quickly, but then he took a nap. Thank you everybody. Now we will try answer the following question. Here 2 questions. First question is who was the fastest and who was the slowest animal in the forest. Second question is where did they start the race from. Okay, my dear student, please try to answer the question and write the answer in your notebook. After some time I will ask you. Okay, your time has finished. From group number 1, roll 51. Please say question number, answer the question number of 1. Okay, thank you. Group number 4, please say the question number 4. I think you all are able to answer the question. So my dear student, now I will help you. You will match your answer. Our first answer is hare was the fastest and tortoise was the slowest animal in the forest. অর্থাৎ hare was the fastest and tortoise was the slowest animal forest. And our second question was where did they start the race from. Answer is they start the race next to a big tree. Okay, my dear student, please say with me. Hare was the fastest and tortoise was the slowest animal in the forest. Now I will give you some homework. Here a question. Why do you think the tortoise want to have a race with the hare? We pronounce some word, we learn some new words, we read the whole question, whole passage. So I think you all are able to answer this question. Hare was the fastest, tortoise was the slowest, and this is the main reason for their race. Okay, my dear student, you will write in 3 words. This is your homework. Now we will learn one day one word. Our today's important word is nap. Nap means short sleep. Now we will form a sentence with nap. The hare was take a nap under a tree. Say everybody with me. Nap means short sleep. The hare was take a nap under a tree. Okay, my dear students, This class was very interesting. Thank you. Be with me and must be see you all in my next class. Thank you all. See you next class. So must be stay at home at safe. Okay, tata. Bye bye.